What if I told you that you could perform a real hacking technique legally from your own computer in the next 60 seconds? In this video, I'll show you how ethical hackers gather information about websites and networks before even writing a single line of code. This is called Reconnaissance, and it's how every real-world hack begins. Today, we are going to run a simple but powerful tool that's 100% legal, as long as you use it responsibly. This video is for educational purposes only. Don't use these techniques on anything you don't own or have permission to test. That's illegal and unethical. With that said, let's dive in. Reconnaissance is the first phase of ethical hacking. It's where we gather as much public information as possible about the system or website. One of the simple tools for this is called whois. It lets you look up public domain registration info. Another one, nslookup, a tool that reveals DNS records for websites. Open your terminal or your command prompt, type the website address of your choice after whois. You'll get information like the domain owner, registrar, expiration date, and the name servers. This helps ethical hackers understand who runs a site and if it's fake or clone. Now let's try another tool, nslookup, and the name of the website you own or you have a permission to test. This shows the IP address of the domain, and you can even use nslookup to dig deeper into the email servers, MX records, or subdomains. So, why does this matter? A hacker might find an old server, an expired domain, or a misconfigured DNS record, all before touching the site itself. And as an ethical hacker, this helps you spot weak points before the bad guys do. That's just the beginning of ethical hacking. If you like this hands-on trick, I've got more real tools and techniques in my channel, from port scanning to sniffing your own Wi-Fi traffic. Drop a comment if you want a part 2, and subscribe to our channel if you want to level up your ethical hacking skills without breaking any laws. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Hack smart, hack ethical.